So today's topic is guarantee of profit to a partner. So what is guarantee of profit to a partner? It means that we are assuring a partner that we will give certain minimum amount as a share of his profit every year without fail. Suppose, let's take an example. A and B are partners sharing profits equally, 1:1. If 2 rupees profit is there, 1 rupee will be taken by A and 1 rupee will be taken by B. And now they are admitting C into partnership, and again they agreed to share the profits and losses in the ratio of 1:1. But they gave a guarantee that C will get a minimum profit of 35,000 every year. How much? 35,000 every year minimum profit he will get. That assurance who gave him? A and B. Okay. Now the thing is, A and B combinedly can give this assurance, or only A can give this assurance, only B can give this assurance. Okay. Now let's see. They have earned the profit of 90,000 during the year. And if it is 90,000 during the year, let's see what will be the C share. 1 out of 3 parts, 1 plus 1 plus 1, how much? 3. 1 out of 3 parts, which is equals to 30,000. So he is supposed to get 30,000. He will get how much? 30,000. But actual guaranteed minimum to Mr. C is how much? 35,000. Did he get the guaranteed minimum? No. So how much shortfall is there? 5,000. This we call it as deficiency. What do we call it? Deficiency. If there is any deficiency, in such case, who should bear this deficiency? Who gave guarantee to him? A and B gave guarantee to him. Then A and B should bear. How should they bear? Maybe in their profit sharing ratio. Okay. Or A and B agree to share this in the ratio of 3:2. They will agree. Okay, at the time of this guaranteed profit contract only, they might give this ratio. We will share any deficiency. If there is any deficiency, we'll share it in 3:2 ratio. In such cases, they will share it in agreed ratio. If only A is giving assurance, then entire 5,000 should be borne by whom? A. Clear? So that's what. See, it means giving assurance to a partner that he will receive a certain guaranteed minimum amount as a share of his profit. Any deficiency on account of guaranteed profit, such deficiency can be shared by all the partners in their profit sharing ratio or agreed ratio, or borne by a single partner. Listen, question 1. Virat and Rohit are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Mahindra into partnership for 1/6 share with a guaranteed minimum of rupees 25,000. That means Mahindra should get minimum of how much? 25,000 by the way of his profits. Now, during the year ended 31st March 2024, the firm earned the profits of rupees 1,20,000. Show the distribution of profits among the partners. So if we have to distribute 1,20,000 among the partners, we need their new ratio. Do we have their new ratio? We have the old ratio of partners, that is 3:2. But we don't have a ratio between all the 3 partners, Virat, Rohit and Mahindra. So first we have to calculate the ratio. For that, given, what did they give? Who are the partners? Virat is to Rohit. Virat is to Rohit is equals to 3:2. So this was old ratio. Now whom did they admit? Mahindra. So now Mahindra's share as a new partner is 1/6. Okay. Let's assume this is a pizza which is cut into 6 equal slices. 6 equal slices. Now, I mean, one of the part is given to Mahendra. 1 out of 6 parts are given to whom? Mahendra. So how many parts are remaining? 5 parts are still remaining. Understood or not? We had a profit of how much? A pizza, and then which is cut into how many slices? 6 equal slices, out of which 1 part is given to Mahendra. 1 out of 6 is gone. How many are still remaining? 5 by 6. Remaining share is equals to we had 1 pizza, right? Out of which we had given 1/6 share. Still, how many parts do we have? 5 parts out of 6. 5 out of 6. This is remaining share. This, who will share this? Shared by old partners, because this part is given to Mahindra. Remaining 5 parts will be shared by old partners. Who are the old partners? Virat and Rohe. Shared by Virat and Rohe. Virat and Rohe. In which ratio will they share? They did not give anything, so we will share this in old ratio. In 3:2 ratio. Okay, let's see what is Virat's share and what is Rohit's share. So here, new share of Virat is equals to, tell me, what is the remaining share? 5 by 6. Out of 5 by 6, how much Virat is going to get? 3 out of 5 parts into 3 by 5. 5 get cancels, which is equals to 3 by 6. Next, new share of Rohit is equals to, what is the remaining share? 5 by 6. 5 by 6 into how much Rohit will get? 2 out of 5 parts, 2 by 5. So 5 get cancels again, which is equals to 2 by 6. And we already know the new share of Mahindra. New share of Mahindra, which is given in the problem already, which is equals to 1 by 6. This implies new ratio. New ratio between whom? Virat is to Rohit is to Mahendra is equals to 3 by 6 is to 2 by 6 is to 1 by 6, which is equals to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Now, after calculation, we got to know that Virat is to Rohit is to Mahendra is equals to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Now, let's see how much share of profit Virat will get this year. What is the profit during the year? The firm earned the profit of rupees 1,20,000. Now, total profit of the firm. Total profit of the firm during the year is equals to rupees 1,20,000. This implies who? New partner? Mahindra. So Mahindra's share is equals to, what will be the total profit? 1,20,000 into, how much will he get? His share is 1 by 6 into 1 by 6, which is equals to rupees 20,000. So he is getting 20,000 rupees, while the guaranteed minimum was rupees 25,000. How much was guaranteed minimum? 25,000. So how much is he getting by way of his profits? 20,000. So what is the amount of deficiency? This implies deficiency is equals to 25,000, the assurance given to him, minus 20,000, the share of his profit. What is the amount of deficiency? Rupees 5,000. And who should bear this deficiency? Virat and Rohit. They did not specify anything in the problem. And if the problem is silent, both the partners have agreed to share the deficiency. In which ratio will they share deficiency? In absence of this fellow, what will be the ratio? 3 is to 2. In that ratio only they will share the deficiency. So this deficiency is shared by borne by whom? Borne by Virat and Rohit. In which ratio? In 3 is to 2 ratio. Okay. Let's distribute these profits among the partners now. How much profits did we earn? 1,20,000. So how will we distribute profits among the partners? By preparing profit and loss appropriation account. And profit and loss appropriation account starts with profit and loss account, net profit. Profit and loss account, net profit. How much net profit did we earn during the year? 1,20,000. So we don't have any adjustments. So entire profit should be distributed among the partners. So first partner, who is the first partner? Virat. So Virat's capital. So what is the total amount of profit? 1,20,000 into what is Virat's share? 3 by 6 into 3 by 6, which is equals to 60,000. But will he get 60,000? No, because he has deficiency too. Where? Is that clear? So let's see. Let's share in deficiency, not entire deficiency because he's sharing it. Share in deficiency. How much is total deficiency? 5,000. What is his share? 5,000 into 3 is to 2 means total how much? 5 into 3 by 5. How much? 3,000. So if we deduct this 3,000, then it will be 57,000. Is that clear? Next. Who is next partner? Rohit. Rohit's share. Rohit's capital. Now tell me, what is the total amount of profit? 1,20,000. 1,20,000 into what is Rohit's share? 2 by 6, which is equals to 40,000. But will he get 40,000? No, because he has deficiency to pay. Less deficiency, less sharing deficiency. So how much deficiency in total? 5,000. Into how much Rohit is going to bear? 2 out of 5 parts into 2 by 5. Into 2 by 5, which is equals to 2,000. If we deduct this 2,000, 38,000. Next fellow is Mahendra. Mahendra's capital. We already calculated his share here. How much is his share? 20,000. We can directly take it here because we have calculated. Otherwise, you can show the calculation also. How much is it? 20,000. But the question is, will he settle for 20,000? No, because he was given assurance of what? 25,000. So he wants 25,000. So add deficiency received from. Deficiency received from. From whom is he receiving? Virat. From Virat he is receiving how much? 3,000 he is receiving from Virat. Next, from Rohit. From Rohit how much is he receiving? 2,000. So 5,000 entire deficiency plus 20,000 his share. Total amount of profit payable to Mr. Mahendra is 25,000. No? 1,20,000 and 1,20,000 on both the sides. Second problem. Ajay and Vijay are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Bharat into partnership for 1/5 share. with a guaranteed minimum of rupees 50,000. That means Bharat is not supposed to receive less than 50,000 in any year. During the year ended 31st March 2024, the firm earned the profits of rupees 2 lakhs. Show the distribution of profits among the partners if the guarantee is given by Ajay and Vijay to the ratio of 3:2. So they have agreed to bear deficiency if there is any deficiency. They agreed to bear the deficiency in the ratio of what? 3:2. Clear? Okay. Now, what did we read? Given. Who are the partners? Ajay is to Vijay is equals to 5:3. This is old ratio. This is old ratio. And now, they admitted whom? Bharat. So, after admitting Bharat, how much share did they give? Bharat's share is equals to speak 1/5. So now, add the same example. Five parts. So one pizza is divided into how many slices? 5 slices. So one of the slice, 1 out of 5, is given to whom? Bharat. Still, how many are left? 4. And these 4 will be shared by whom? Old partners. Who are the old partners? Ajay and Vijay. So remaining share is equals to so how many parts remaining? 4 out of 5 minus 1 pizza minus 1 out of 5 slices are gone. Still 4/5. So this 4/5 will be shared by whom? Ajay and Vijay. So shared by Ajay and Vijay. In which ratio will they share? They will share it in the ratio of 5:3. See, this 3:2 is only for sharing deficiency, not profits. How will they share the profits? 5:3 only. In 5:3. Oh. Now, as we don't have the new profit sharing ratio, let's calculate the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. So, first one, new share of Ajay is equals to, what is the remaining share? 4/5. Out of 4/5, 4/5 into how much he will get? 5/8. So 5, no, don't cancel it. So tell me 4/5, sir? 20. 5/8, sir? Keep it like that. Next, new share of Vijay. New share of Vijay is equals to, what is the remaining share? 4/5 into his share is 3/8, which is equals to 4/3, sir, 12 divided by 5/8, sir, 40. And the new share of Bharat. New share of Bharat is equals to, what was his share? 1/5. Now, if you see, the denominators are not common. So we have to bring them to common base. Clear? So to make this, to convert this 5 into 40, how many times should we multiply? So into 8, numerator also into 8, denominator also into 8, which is equals to 8/1s are 8, 5/8s are 40. Now, this implies new ratio between Ajay, Vijay, Bharat is equals to 20/40 is to 12 by 40 is to 8 by 40. Now which is equals to 20 is to 12 is to 8. And all the digits follow the common table, that is 4. So 4 5s are 4 3s are 4 2s are. So what will be the ratio? 5 is to 3 is to 2. So after calculating, we got to know that Ajay is to Vijay is to Bharat is equals to 5 is to 3 is to 2. There we go. Now let's see how much Vijay is getting. First, for that, how much profit did the firm earn during the year? 2 lakhs. Total profit of the firm. Total profit of the firm is equals to rupees 2 lakhs. And let's see how much this fellow Bharat is getting. This implies Bharat's share of profit. Bharat's share of profit is equals to 2 lakhs into what is his share? New ratio 2 by 10, which is equals to rupees 40,000. He is getting 40,000 by the way of his profits, but what was the minimum assurance given to him? 50,000. That means the deficiency is 10,000. This implies deficiency is equals to the amount guaranteed to him was 50,000 minus the amount he is getting this year is 40,000. So what is the amount of deficiency? Rupees 10,000. And who should bear this deficiency? And the partner who has given guarantee. Who gave guarantee? Ajay and Vijay. In which ratio did they give guarantee? 3 is to 2. So borne by Ajay and Vijay, in which ratio? In 3 is to 2. Now let's distribute these profits among the partners by preparing what? The profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account starts with profit and loss account net profit. Profit and loss account net profit. What is the amount of net profit that we have earned during the year? 2 lakhs. Do we have any adjustments such as interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary or commission? No. So entire profit should be distributed among the partners. So transferred to who are the partners? First partner? Ajay. So Ajay's capital. Transferred to Ajay's capital. Now what is the total amount of profit? 2 lakh into what is Ajay's share? New profit sharing ratio. 5 by 10, which is equals to 1 lakh. But will he get 1 lakh? No, because he has deficiency too. But less, will he take entire deficiency? No, he will take share. So share in deficiency. Share in deficiency. So what is the amount of deficiency? 10,000 into he has given guarantee for 3/5 share. How much? 6,000. Deduct this 6,000. How much it will be? 94,000. And next, after Ajay, second one, Vijay. So Vijay's capital. Vijay's capital. Now tell me, what is the total amount of profit? 2 lakhs into his share 3 by 10, which is equals to 60,000. But will he get 60,000? No, because he has deficiency to bear. Less share in deficiency. Share in deficiency. How much deficiency? Total 10,000. 10,000 into how much guarantee did he give? 250. So which is equals to 4,000. If we deduct this, he will get 56,000. And the last fellow, Bharat. So Bharat's capital. Bharat's capital, we already calculated here. Bharat, how much he is getting? 40,000. But will he settle for 40,000? No. Because he need how much? 50,000. Because they are given the assurance of rupees 50,000. So add deficiency received from whom? From whom did he receive? Old partners. Who are the old partners? Ajay. From Ajay, how much did he receive? 6,000. And next, Vijay. From Vijay, how much did he receive? 4,000. So 10,000 deficiency received from old partners plus 40,000. Total amount he received was 50,000. By doing this, 2 lakhs and 2 lakhs on either sides. So likewise, we have to distribute the profits when there is guaranteed profit. Any doubts?